Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Param, a professional makeup artist, and I post weekly videos on hairstyling and makeup. So as most of you must be already knowing, before I began my journey as a makeup artist, I used to work in a corporate 9-to-5 job. And in those years, most of my teammates used to always come to me to get tips so that they could get their makeup subtle and elegant. A subtle and elegant makeup gives a classy look, which is suitable for office or college. So this video is for all such friends, office goers and college goers who want to feel more confident when they step into their workplace and college. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing my everyday office makeup look that I used to wear when I used to go to office. So without any further ado, let's get started. I've already cleansed, toned and moisturized my skin. If you're interested in knowing my skin prep routine, I will link the video above and you can have a look at it. The first product that I'm going to be applying is a primer, and I've picked up the Benefit Professional today. If this was a glam makeup look, I would have used a color corrector for my under eye darkness as well as acne scars. However, since this is an office makeup look, our focus should be to have minimum layers of makeup and to achieve the look in minimum time. So that's why I'm going to be skipping the color corrector altogether. The next product that I'm going to be applying is a BB cream, and I'm using the Nykaa BB cream in the shade Rich Honey. On the days when I have little time, I use a damp beauty blender to blend the BB cream in place, else you can also use your fingers. On some days, I do not have a lot of acne scars on my face, so that is when I skip the concealer altogether. But today, since I've got a lot of acne scars going on my face, so that's why I'm going to be using a concealer. And I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Concealer in the shade NC44. You can see that I have not applied my concealer on all my scars. I've only applied it on the scars which are very dark. This is because I do not want to conceal it completely. I want to use as little product as possible. Before I apply a powder to set the base in place, I am going to be using a setting spray. This helps me keep the makeup long lasting. So I am using a MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime spray. I'm going to be spraying it directly onto my beauty blender and then tapping the beauty blender onto my skin. This is because I don't want too much setting spray onto my base. Next, for the powder, I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Pressed Powder in the shade Medium Dark. Next, I'm going to be filling my eyebrows, and I feel an eyebrow pencil is the easiest and fastest way to fill your eyebrows. So I'm going to be using the Nykaa Brow Chicka Wow Eyebrow Pencil. Now, if you do not have any time at hand, you can completely skip your eyeshadow and your blusher. But if you do have a few minutes to spare, you can go for an eyeshadow which is pinkish mauve in color or brown in color. So today I am going to be using a Forever 52 Diamond Dusk eyeshadow palette, and I am using a mauve color on my eyelid. Don't go overboard with the eyeshadow, keep it as subtle as you can. Next, I'm going to be using kajal on my eyes, and I'm using the Faces Magnetized Kajal and filling my lower and upper waterline. Now I'm going to apply mascara to open up my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Volume Million Lashes from L'Oreal. When it comes to a blusher, I always skip the blusher while going to office because I wanted to avoid any extra attention to my cheek area because of my acne and spots. But if you're interested in applying a blusher, please go ahead and apply one. And lastly, for the lipstick, again I'm going to be picking a subtle color. This one is the Lakme Forever Matte Lip Color in the shade Pink Ballet. And that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this super simple and easy makeup look. If you do wear this everyday makeup look to your office, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle @ParamNC. I will be waiting for your comments and suggestions. Please like and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to turn the notifications on. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.